Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to submit your website sitemap to your Google Analytics. So submitting your website sitemap to the Google Analytics will help you index your website very quick, and all the posts and pages on your website will be able to get indexed very easily. Googlebot will be able to find your website, will be able to get traffic to your website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your website area here. So let's say I want to add website. I want to add a sitemap of this website to my Google Analytics account. So you want to go to dashboard area and you want to scroll down to your website. You want to add new plugin. So you want to look for plugin and you want to add new plugin. We're going to be using the Rank Math CEO so that from there you can get your sitemap. So you want to check for Rank Math. You can use, by the way, you can use any plugin or any CEO plugin that you like. It is just to get you the sitemap your website. So for example, let's use this one here. Let's use Rank Math CEO. So when you download it and you activate it, so here you are going to connect your account. If you like, you can connect. If you like, you can skip all this and you get started. So here you are going to choose the easy way out. So you are just going to click Start Wizard. So from there you can begin to import your website from the schema AI. So it's shop. So you scroll down here. So here you scroll down here and click save and continue. So here skip this place here. And now you are done. So it is done. The setup is completed. So your website is now ready to go. So here you can return to the dashboard area. So now that you've downloaded the Rank Math SEO, so now this plugin is going to help you find your website sitemap. So you're just going to grab the URL and go ahead to the Google Analytics and drop it there. So now let's look for the sitemap here. So you want to look for Rank Math CEO here at your dashboard area. So here as the dashboard area, here is the Rank Math plugin here. So if you scroll down here, you see the sitemap setting. So when you click on sitemap setting here, it's going to take you to this page here. So here is the URL to the sitemap of your website. So if you want to index everything on your website, you can just grab only this one here. But if you want to index a certain page or only the page or only the post on your website, you can just click on this URL here and it's going to present you with this. So if you want to index only the post, you can just grab only this one here. If you want Google to index only the page, only the post, you can just grab and go to your Google Analytics account. So here at your Google Analytics account, you are going to look for your website. So if you have many websites, you can just look for the one that you want to add sitemap. Then when you choose your website, then you are going to scroll down and go here, sitemaps. So you want to click sitemap right in. So here is where you are going to paste the URL. So when you click on this area here, paste the URL in there, and when you finish pasting it and you click submit, and you click submit, the URL Google Analytics bot is gonna fetch your website post and pages. So it's gonna show up. It's going to show success. If it is not, it's going to show it couldn't fetch. Okay. So now let's say you want to add the page. You go back there again to the sitemap and grab the page here and go back again to and paste the page here again. So when you finish, you hit submit, and it's going to fetch the page also, and you're going to see how many pages you have, how many posts, how many pages you have on your website. If you also want to index the tag, you can just, if you want to index the category, you can just grab category here, you highlight it, to grab it and go back to the sitemap. and you paste it in there. And there you go. When you finish, you submit. So you go to refresh everything. So that's how you add your website sitemap to Google Analytics, to Google Search Console. So you can go from here. If you want to choose, if you want to add all your website, you can just grab this one here, or you add them one by one. This place here, you have certain page. If you want to add only page or post on your website, you can just go from here, and you highlight the one that you want Google to index. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial here. Hopefully you'll be able to follow along and learn something. So guys, if you want to add your website sitemap to Google Analytics, that's the way you do it. So if you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please leave them in the comment area. Let me know what you like and what you don't like about this video. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.